Elon Musk recently fired the entire charging station team at Tesla, leaving construction projects and other partnerships unable to contact anyone regarding invoices and contracts. Do you suppose Elon picked up any of the work he created by firing that whole team? That, and Tesla's stock performance, the controversial choice to emphasize delivering a robo-taxi rather than a lower-cost car, and the Cybertruck recall of shockingly low production numbers of Cybertrucks have all led to speculation that Tesla might fire Elon Musk as CEO. That isn't going to happen. The board is stacked with his loyalists and even family members, but that's not the only issue. It is impossible for Tesla to find a good replacement for Elon Musk, and that is because while Tesla stock has performed abysmally relative to its all-time highs, the valuation of Tesla remains absurd. Tesla is more highly valued than Toyota. It is still about 4 or 5 times more valued than BMW, which makes 30% more cars. And that means that anyone replacing Elon Musk as CEO is going to preside over a further precipitous drop in the stock price. Nobody is going to take a CEO job under those circumstances. That leaves Tesla in a bind. The board is currently considering giving Elon Musk a huge slice of Tesla shares, tens of billions of dollars worth. If the board by some miracle decides not to do something as dilutive and perversely incentivizing as handing over tens of billions of dollars in shares, Elon might get bored and annoyed and leave of his own accord, or he might throw another tantrum and fire who knows who. But it looks like Tesla shareholders are stuck with the boy genius until the situation becomes entirely untenable.